What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Dior, and I'm back with more. You're rude. Welcome back, and if you're new, hey, what's up? My name is Danny. I like to do my hair and get kids to go nowhere. Period. Cool. And once again, I fell off the face of the earth, but as y'all can see, I'm at school and my camera broke. I haven't been able to record content because, I mean, you can record on your phone, but as many YouTubers know, it's just not the same. It's more work, and then you're not able to record as long videos as I would on my camera. But anyways, we're in the process of trying to get that replaced. So for the meantime, I'm just gonna show you guys my room tour. Yes, it's my second year of college, and I was gonna do a get ready with me, but the footage wasn't long enough. So let's welcome you guys to my MTV crib. First, welcome to the kitchen. When you first come into my room, you're going to be approached by a sign that says enjoy the little things. I'm not even sure where I got this from or where it came from because I got it from my sister. So yeah, let's just take a picture, put it in Google, see what you find. I like it because I feel like, you know, sometimes you get overwhelmed with things, but I feel like this sign is a good reminder to like just stop and just, you know, enjoy like the smaller things in life, the smaller accomplishments, blah, blah, blah. So next here we have like this little palette with all or most of my sunglasses and these little sunglass covers for them. And then under it's like a mirror, which I thought was really cute. But I just did this just so I wouldn't scratch it up and just to have it like at my convenience for whenever I need to put my glasses in one of the cloth cases. So there is that. Next you have this dresser drawer that came with the room. This is part of the furniture that all the rooms get. And then I have my TV. I'm not sure the size of it, but it's fairly small and it's Vizio, so I just connected my Fire Stick to it, and that's how I watch all my streaming apps, YouTube TV, and all that extra stuff. So you move into the corner and you have my microwave and mini fridge. Microwave is from Walmart, and my fridge doesn't freaking work. Once again, this was also a hand-me-down from my sister, but it's not cold, so it's just here until I get my new one. But it just makes the room look complete, so we're gonna leave it there for now. So you move over here to my desk area, probably my favorite area because it's like so cute. So first, let's start right here. We have a mini ironing board that I just use command strip and I put it on the wall. Something super convenient, so whenever I need to iron anything, I just take it up, and it has like these little things what are they called? Not legs, but it's something to put on the floor and, you know, just iron whatever you need to. So put that back up. And the command hooks from Walmart. I think this was from Walmart as well. Then I have my suitcase in the corner, wig head, and then a stool. Ignore my trash can, y'all. But not a stool. I guess it is a stool. I don't know. So here is my hair station. You know, the girl be doing her hair. The kids go nowhere. Yeah, so I have like hair and makeup stuff right here, as you can see. I have a whole bunch of scrunchies, which I thought was cute. I was gonna put it on my desk, but yeah, no, I like it better right here. And then we have this little wall plug-in from Bath and Body Works with a trash can to match, but the trash can was from Walmart for like $5. So this was really cool. Next, I have a footstool. Usually, like whenever I'm doing my homework, I would just put this under the desk and I just put my foot up on it because your girl be tired doing homework. Like, it's just super cute and it was gray, so I said, why not? So you move under the desk. You just have some Lysol wipes over there, back there in the corner. But right here is like my little cleaning crate. So yes, I'm a girl. I need these. Walmart or whatever. So next, if you just go in here, it's just little miscellaneous items. Like we have soap. We have Nair. We have some acetone for like your fingernails. Mesh washer bag for whenever I do laundry. I also have like another one right here, which is like netted, so just the same thing. Have some light bulbs, trash bags, Lysol spray, face wash, and this cute little welcome packet that I got from school last year. It has like just mini stuff like magic eraser and what have you. Then I have some Bath and Body Works soap and some gloves. So put all that back under here. Let's keep that in the corner. So next we have, I'm not sure what this is. I want to say a nightstand, but it came like under the desk, so it's just extra storage. So in here I have just other miscellaneous items. So pom-poms from a football game, lashes. I have a lip gloss in here, a lamp, but this needs to be charged, but the freaking charging port broke. So right now it's just in here. It does work though. Soap, just a bunch of nothing. So if I ever like run out of space, I just put stuff in this drawer. And so then we come down here, and I want to say this is like my little medicine cabinet because I live in a 4x2. I don't have my own bathroom, so it's convenient to just have all my stuff right here. Here we have sponges, Vaseline, all this medicinal stuff. So like allergy medicine, ibuprofen, Alka-Seltzer, thermostat, but I don't think it works, so we need to get that fixed. Emergency Band-Aids, rubbing alcohol, vitamins, mask, cotton balls, and some floss and hand wipes. So your girl is strapped up. Like, I made sure that I got all the necessities because I literally hate grocery shopping, and it's the most hardest task of all the daily chores that you have to do, in my opinion. I mean, I worked at a grocery store, but actual grocery shopping, I hate it. So next we have my little pull-out thing from the desk. Clearly just school supplies. So paper, binder, pens, pencils, lashes. I think I just put this here just for like if I ever need them. Dry erase marker, Sharpie, I also have flashcards. I probably use like one out of the whole thing. Gum and some extra staples from home for my stapler. Oh, and I have this analog clock that I got from Ross. I'll take it up. Okay, so it was $10. Like I said, it was from Ross. So I'm not sure the brand. If you ever been to Ross, you know how it's set up. It's pretty much like a one of one of everything. So if you see it, you might get lucky. And next I have this pink lip gloss from Cosmetics by Capri. It's almost done, but I really thought it was super cute because it was pink and white, and I was like, why not? So yeah, this is my little desk area. And then, you know, I have my laptop, my iPad, and my AirPods. And this is where I do my homework every night, which is really nice. And I love the fact how my desk fits in this little nook, because with the wall in front of me and everything behind me, I feel like it's easy for me to do my work without getting distracted. So next you come in here to my closet. I was actually surprised because the closet space is not that bad. Like, it's not as small as I thought it was gonna be. Like, literally this is the same size as my closet at home. So we just have my clothes on hangers. Have an extra pack of hangers from Target in case I buy anything else. And then on top we have laundry detergent, sheets, iron, dryer sheets. This is just full of like extra plastic bags for like trash, garbage bags. And then we have purses in here and my spend a night bag. Oh, okay, so we have other bags in there, but this is like a spend a night, overnight type bag. And then you come here and you have sandals, shoes of that sort. And then in here we have shoes. Don't even, like, before y'all come for me, just know that being a full-time college student is a lot of work. The laundry getting done after this video, okay? But yeah, here are my shoes and just like toilet paper and stuff in here. So this is just a nice little, you know, it's just convenient. It's just convenient because it holds more stuff than I thought it would, and just to have stuff out the way. And since my bed sits so low, so now we have my bed. I know what y'all thinking. I'm like, girl, it's not no twin size. It's the real deal. Yes, I love my bed. It's a full-size bed. Is it full or queen? No, it's a full size. Comforter, not sure where it's from. And my mom got those 2 pillows. I also don't know where it's from, but I just felt like it came together nicely. Super cozy, not too much. And the bottom of the bed, like I said, has wheels, so I really can't fit anything under the bed, which sucks, but it's okay. Furry white rug from Walmart. I want to say it was like $10, but don't quote me on it. But then I come over here, and this is my nightstand. So these curtains are also from Walmart, y'all. Literally, you can do your whole room and dress it up with everything from Walmart. Command hooks, rod, all that good stuff, Walmart. Next, we have this lamp from IKEA, but this was bought years ago, so I don't even know if they still have it. But it's super convenient because all you have to do is flip the switch and it's on. Instead of those that just like go under the whatever this thing is called. So yeah. And then we have my daily bread, and then my Bible, and then this thing I also got from Ross. I wanted to like put pictures of like my friends and family, but it's just I haven't printed anything out yet. So in the meantime, you have me and then this note that my mom wrote me last year, which is super cute, really encouraging. And then we have this small fan on my desk because it gets hot in here, believe it or not. Like, the AC is on, but I don't feel shit, so let me turn it on. I think she also got this from Walmart. So it has 3 settings. It can either spin or be stationary. Me personally, I like it to spin or rotate, because it kind of like circulates the air. Then we have my Fire Stick remote and my TV remote. And you pull this out. It's just like hair stuff, so bonnets, beanies, hats, this popping thing that I like to use. and edge control. So everything here, and then you come down here and it's all my water, but we need to make a trip to the grocery store, so it's not that much left. Last but not least, we have my favorite part, which is the full body mirror. This is my sister's as well, so I don't know where she got it from. I'm sorry, but I'm pretty sure if you just search it up online, you can pretty much find anyone, even from Walmart. Like if you don't want the ones that are like smaller and have the rim around it, you can probably find this as well. It's fairly tall. I want to say like at least 5 feet, so probably like over 60 inches. And yeah, I really like it because it's giving one of those, you know, those mirrors that you be seeing like in people with those high-rise apartments, and it's just big. It's giving those vibes. So this is my room. This is what I'm gonna call home for the next year, and honestly, I really love it. And the crazy part is I live in a 4x2, so it means 4 rooms, 2 bathrooms, and me and another roommate share a bathroom, which is fine. But I have the smallest room, like, what? So at first I was kind of pissed about it, but I realized I can't change it, so I might as well just, you know, make it work. And I felt like that's what I did. It's giving box, but it's my box, and it's really homey and cozy and comfortable. So it's okay to have the smallest room, because some people pretty much might have a smaller room than this, or even have to share it with somebody else. So I'll get what I can get. Probably took me like a couple hours to get everything settled in, because when I moved in with my family, they helped me like unpack everything, and then I got more stuff along the way, so it didn't take long at all. I'm not sure the exact dimensions of the room, but this is it. And yeah, so you guys, that wraps it up for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more Dior yeah, the hoes love this.